Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to set a time limit on your YouTube Shorts to manage your screen time effectively. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type YouTube app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once the update is complete, open the YouTube app. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, go to Settings in the top right corner. Here, tap on Time Management. In this section, select Shorts Feed Limit, and you can set a timer for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or more according to your needs. This feature is very helpful for managing your daily screen time and also works great for child protection. So, that's how you can easily set a time limit on YouTube Shorts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips. Until next time, see you soon.